In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothes in Grok AI. This handy tool allows you to modify an image with ease, adjusting the style and look as you desire, and it's quite intuitive to use. Let's dive right in to see how it's done. First up, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. This is usually a reliable starting point as it helps direct you to the right page quickly. Once you're there, simply type Grok into the search bar. Grok AI is known for altering images remarkably, whether you're looking to adjust clothing, modify backgrounds, or more. After you hit enter, the search results should bring up the Grok website as one of the top options. Click on this link to enter the world of Grok. Once you've reached Grok's homepage, look for the clip icon. This is typically the go-to button for uploading images. Clicking on this icon will enable you to choose a photo from your device. Select the image that you want to modify. Perhaps you have an image where you'd like to freshen up the outfit a little bit. Uploading the image is a straightforward process, ensuring you can get right down to work. Following the image upload, it's time for the fun part, making a prompt. Here, you provide Grok AI with a detailed description of the changes you would like to see. For instance, if you're aiming for a stylish transition, you might suggest something like changing a casual t-shirt to a dark blue denim jacket and swapping out jeans for sleek black chinos. It's essential to specify that you want the pose, lighting, and background to remain the same. This ensures the alterations look seamlessly natural, as though the new attire was part of the original image. Be precise with your prompts to get the most realistic outcome. Once your prompt is ready and you've crafted your instructions, the next step is to hit submit. By doing this, you're instructing Grok AI to work its magic. The AI will process your requests, making sure all changes align with the guidelines you've set. Within moments, you should see the transformed image. The new outfit should appear naturally fitted, capturing the stylish, modern look you desired. This can be particularly useful for enhancing a photo before sharing it or using it for professional purposes. By following these steps, you're empowering yourself with Grok AI's impressive capabilities, making fashion-forward changes to your images as easy as pie. So go ahead and experiment with different outfits and enjoy the creative control it offers you. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has given you the clarity to get started with transforming your images in style.